In front of me is DOOGEE Fire 7, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off app notifications. Begin by opening Settings and tapping on Notifications right away. Now select App Notifications at the top and hit Most Recent on the left. This way you can sort your apps to see ones with most recent notifications, most frequent notifications, all apps on your device, or apps with notifications already disabled. Whatever you decided, when you're ready, click on green switchers next to apps from which you want to block them, or gray ones to turn them back on. Quick tip most people miss that you can also click on any app on the left, and this way manage all of those options for chosen app to adjust notifications perfectly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!